and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I have a Falloween Spooktacular project share, and I am co-hosting this event with my crafty BFF, Robyn, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I will have her linked in the description box below. You want to make sure to join us each Wednesday and Saturday in the month of October. All of the giveaway rules are in the description box as well, and I will be announcing the winner from last week's question. And so you want to make sure when we have a giveaway video, make sure to listen for the question. I had several people that didn't answer the questions. I had to select another winner. What I have created today are some just really quick and simple Halloween cards that are A2 in size, and I used the Paper Rose Spooky Halloween card set and the Spooky Halloween Fussy Cut elements. So that is what I used to create the cards, and then I used black cardstock for my stash as well as the decorative paper. And I did use a few stickers I had in my stash as well. Make sure to stay tuned for the winner announcement and for the question. And if you've not made an A2 card before, they're really simple. You just take a piece of cardstock that is 8.5 inches wide by 5.5 inches tall, and you score it in the middle at 4 1/4, and that gives you the card base. And then my paper, the orangish red tone there, is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then the sentiment area and the decorative piece is 4 by 5 1/4. So that's all you need to make these cards. So I didn't do a tutorial because it takes me forever to decide what I want to do. So it'd be a really long video for me trying to fussy cut and figure out what I wanted on the cards. And these little spiders grew on me. I wasn't so sure about them, but I thought kids would get a kick out of those big eyes. But I thought those were just, just fun and festive for the holiday. And then we have our mummy and our hoot owl with the big eyes. And like I said, I used a sticker and then the fussy cut papers, which I really liked. You got all kinds of fun elements from it. And of course I cut out a little spider to go on the web, but just fun, cute little cards. And then I did use the Cricut to cut out the Happy Halloween and the little ghosts there. So that's the first card. And then the second card, we have this adorable little witch and little cat and little pumpkins, and then we have like a little shop in the back. I thought it was just so fun. And then we have the witch and I guess a warlock that would be there, and the cat. But these were just cute little fun papers, and I loved the elements. And then on the elements that came in the card pack, they have like a glossy effect, so I really liked those. I had not used the Paper Rose brand before, but I really liked it. And the cut aparts and the paper are really heavy, which I like to work with a good quality paper. And then I thought this was a cute little Happy Halloween sentiment in Design Space with the little broom and the witch hat. So I thought that went perfect for her and her little kitty cat. And then we have another cute little witch, and I did add some bat stickers I had in my stash. And once again, that pumpkin sticker. And I did add one of my vellum ghosts to this coming behind the tombstone. But I just thought she was adorable as well. And we've got our gravestones spider web on this. And then the Happy Halloween. I thought that was so cute. And I loved these little zombies and the little Frankenstein. So, and of course the spider. I had to have him on there. We have all of our spooky characters here all lined up. Then you can tell the little bat was from the card kit because it has the glossy effect there. And I just thought those were so cute for Halloween. And then we have the Happy Halloween with a little ghost on the inside. And then this one, they're just standing in front of the little house. So they're out trick-or-treating, I guess. But I thought they were still adorable. Just added another little pumpkin there. But I thought these little images were adorable. And then Happy Halloween, which it's funny to use adorable when you've got your spooky background. But it's not real It's not too spooky, I guess, but it does have the little, like Spanish moss growing down on the roof. Let's select our winner. I have entered the video, which was the treat bags, and now I'm just answering the question so I can get it to select a winner. And congratulations to Denise Abate Smith. Please contact me at shabbychicchick@yahoo.com. All of the information is in the description box below. I'm just going to lay the cards out here because I always like to know which one is your favorite. So my question is going to be, what was your most favorite Halloween costume that you ever dressed up as? And it could be if you were a child or you dressed up as an adult. I think my favorite costumes were the ones as an adult. My friend and I would always plan, probably for a year, of what we were going to be for the following Halloween. We would not tell anyone. That was always our big secret. We did not tell anyone, and we would plan our costumes out. Now, this was pre-Pinterest, so we had to come up with it all on our own and figure out what we were going to be. I think one of my most favorite was when I dressed up as a prisoner and my friend dressed up as a policeman, and I blacked my teeth out, and I had like this long black stringy hair, and my daughter was in middle school, and so she was having a Halloween party, and we, the adults, had dressed up as well. My one neighbor's husband came to the house to get his daughter, and I went to the front door and talked to him and everything. And later that night, the wife calls and was like, would you tell him that was you as the convict? He did not believe it was me. So we always got a kick out of that because I thought for sure with my accent he knew who it was. So I'd love to hear what your favorite costume was, as well as let me know which card is your favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And I keep getting drawn. I like this one and that one. For some reason, I love the green and the zombie and the Frankenstein. I just think they're so cute. I hope everyone has a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.